insane. Never really see two 21s in a box like this. That plays low too. Man, it's got a lot of throw in that sub. Wow.
Play this one. This one's about its favorite.
Okay. Oh man, I can already tell your floor is solid. Good word. Oh, could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
Philip McAllister. We got two PSI platform 521s on 2 teraamps base 8Ks, 90 amp hour C-Max, and a 320 brand X alt.
I like your amp rack. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, a guy, I ain't sure where he's from. He made them. Try them out. They work really good.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. You built the box?
No, actually Adam built the box.
Okay.
It's built about 16 cubes, total about 27.
Very nice. 21 inch. Wow.
Yeah.
All right.
So shout out to David on that.
What is the X Max on that thing?
I'm not sure.
At least 36 inches. Wow. Or 36 millimeters, I meant.
I'll show you.
Can I see the port in the back? I'm curious to see how big it is. That's insane. Never really see two 21s in a box like this. Wow. So what made you go with 21s?
It was the 2 biggest subs I could fit in here.
Yeah. Wow. And these are 3.8s or 3?
Yeah, 3.8.
Okay. Wow. Very nice job. Thank you very much for showing me, man.
You're very welcome.
That was insane. Your box is mounted down and still moves a little bit.
Yeah,
Woo.
these Jeeps have got really thin floors. So.
They do? Oh, the floor's moving.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good woodwork on the back still, tearing it up.
Appreciate it.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around. We got a Philips system. He was at the Sundown Audio Show with this showcasing of this insane dual 21-inch subwoofer system. So if you're enjoying this video, hit the thumbs up as well as comment what you like about his system. I really like the fact that he fit two 21s being unique and how big the box is. It's insane. It's a lot bigger in person than it looks actually on camera. Or maybe it looks big on camera too. Two 21-inch subs. So these are the PSIs. I don't see a lot of this type of subwoofer, and being a 21 is very unique. It's hard to manufacture and make those. Looks like they're rated between 3.5 and 4,500 watts RMS. That's what I got from the PSI website. And the amplifiers on the back of the box, right behind the passenger and driver seat where the battery bank and amplifier, was pretty impressed to see him pretty much X-max these subwoofers out to their limits. So definitely giving them all the juice. Also, the way that he has these air ports looks like a really smart layout design to fit for the subwoofer box efficiency. So if he would have went slot, he would have probably suffered on some of his cubic space utilized. The depth of the box is insane to fit 16 cubes in here. So 16,000 watts on two 21-inch subs. We're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, welcome to my channel. Hit the subscribe button for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy this demo.
What is the X max on that thing?
I'm not really sure.
At least 36 inches. Wow. Or 36 millimeters, I meant.
I'll show you.
Wow.
We'll play this one. This one's about its favorite.
Okay. You can tell when it hits that certain frequency, what, like mid to high 20s or something, it's throwing like crazy. Awesome. Thank you very much for the demo, man.
Yeah, man. Appreciate it.
I really appreciate it. Anyway, thank you. You have a good day. Thank you very much.
Appreciate it.